Let's see what he's got. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Allendorf, it's Special, and no, it's not, as the yellow comes out, and I'm not sure why. So once again, if you are thinking about spectacular drag, this is your chance. Come on, join us. Here they go. We're going to do it again. Green flag, we're racing. And it's going to be Allendorf, maybe. The guy who won the flagpole race being challenged by Phil Special in that cool-looking number 6 car. And Phil Special is going to pull away from Allendorf. Justin Wagner's going to go with them. Let's see what's going to happen here. Look, race fans, you can be just like these guys here, but there's only 2 cars on the track. You race against them one-on-one. Spectator drag, sign up now. So we're 2 laps into this 8-lap race, and it's Phil Special off to the races, but our fast driver here, Justin Wagner, last Saturday night's feature winner, is closing in on that number 6 car. As we're out here single file racing, we're going to see what's going to happen here. Looks like Kevin Memely might be closing in on Justin Wagner just a little bit. Halfway in here. Six down, 2 to go. Phil Special feeling the pressure from Justin Wagner. Maybe Wagner can try to grab the lead from him, I don't know. Wagner to the inside of Special, here we go. It could be a photo finish, maybe not. Our winner's coming around. Who's it going to be? Rockford Speedway. Phil Special gets the win. Wow. Justin Wagner made that a very good race. How about that? Great effort for Justin Wagner. Can't wait to see those guys back at it in the feature. Oh, here we go. It's spectacular drag time. This is my favorite race.
Do I got time to run across? Can I go across?
Oh, man. Jeff, is this your favorite event? It's mine.
It is a fun one.
Do you remember when there was a Dodge Viper out here? Do you remember that?